of honor. This woman I'm about to call to the microphone, she's a philanthropist. A woman of honor I value. A woman of destiny changer. Helper. She might have forgotten my face, but I remember her. She's a daughter to Kabiesi. Just the same way I'm a son to Kabiesi. I'm very excited tonight. I don't know what to call her again, trust me. There are only a few people with large heart, and she's one of them. My first car that I ever bought in my life, she didn't buy it for me. Ladies and gentlemen, for the keynote speech tonight, can we give a resounding applause to this wonderful, delectable, elegant, down-to-earth woman, Elizabeth Jack Rich. Please, a round of applause, a round of applause. I hear you help people a lot, not just you. A round of applause for her once again, please, a round of applause for her.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. All protocols duly observed. I'm sure many people think I'm used to this, but every time I get on stage, I'm always nervous. But today is a very, very happy day for me because we're celebrating an amazing king God has blessed us with here on earth. And we're privileged to actually be alive and be part of the celebration. You see, I was actually told just yesterday I was going to make a speech, but it's really not a speech. It's about my personal encounter with the king. I met the king, not quite well, early this year actually, but his impact in my life, it's like I've known him forever. I lost my father when I was very young. Growing up without a father's love kind of made me stronger, I thought. But his love to me as a father actually made me realize how much I missed growing up as a child, not having a father's love. But it actually filled up that space. It filled in that gap. It stepped in as a father, not just for me, but as a grandfather to my kids. And ever since, he has been amazing to my family. He will call me every single time. Even when I can't reach him, he will bully me for not picking my calls. When I am the one trying to actually reach him, he is so amazing. I don't know what to describe him as. You know, his large heart has actually made me fall in love with him more and more. People ask me, why do you love this king so much? I said, it's not all about the king, but about his spirit, about his heart. Today is the day he was coronated as the Ooni of Ife. But you know what? He didn't choose to lavish that celebration on dignitaries, but he chose the youths. He chose us all. I'm a youth myself because he believes so much in the potentials of the youth. He holds the youth in high esteem. And this is a great king that we should all live our lives by his example. He has gathered us here today, not for just celebration, but to actually pass a message to us all. Unity. Unity. Someone said up here, in this palace, it's not about the south, it's not about the north, it's not about the west, it's about one Nigeria, and that is who he is and what he stands for. Can we see? I I don't tell you as much as you tell me, but I love you so much as a mother. I love you with all my heart. My kids love you so much. My husband does. You know, one time I told my first daughter, I said, Kadesi has gone to the moon. Granddad has gone to the moon. And she started crying because she thought granddad has disappeared. And that's how much my kids really, really do love you. Every time you speak to them on the phone, they just want to talk to you. You're very, very humble. Your humility amazes me. I even kind of fight with you sometimes. I come and say there's some things you shouldn't do. You say no. And I don't know. You're a special human being. I think we're very, 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 very privileged to have you with us here on earth. And today, you have shown me nothing but the true example a leader should be. You're a leader, Kabisi. You're a leader. You don't know, but your presence actually brings so much happiness to people. You don't differentiate yourself. You allow everyone to be free around you. You don't know how much that means to people, that you can touch people's lives without even you knowing. Kabisi actually has an initiative called Grass to Grace, where people become millionaires by this initiative. At least 50 or more than every year. Isn't this amazing? How many dignitaries actually do this? You would hardly find any. They'll rather do it for political ambitions or political interest or selfish interest. But it doesn't need any of that. Because this is who he is. And to round this up, I'd actually like to call my lovely sister Adeola here to please come and stay with me. My lovely sister, she is the beautiful daughter of our precious king here, and I know she has a lot more to say than me. So, maybe. Thank you.
Hi everyone, good evening. Let me start by saying I'm not a fantastic public speaker. So I'm not a fantastic public speaker, but I'm going to do my best. So yesterday, we had like a pool party, and I was beside my dad for a couple of minutes. And he was greeting people, and I noticed that he notices, and he remembers even the smallest detail about them. So he was making a comment about how someone had an accident, asking after her leg. He was asking someone else, how are your kids? He was asking another person about their job. And then I was just thinking, like, how come he remembers, like, so much, like, But I know it's because he cares. And he's someone that you can talk to about anything. He's very intelligent. I know I don't say that enough, but he is. Just like me, I'm very intelligent as well. And he's very knowledgeable. I mean, you can talk politics, you can talk anything, religion, but for some reason, his favorite topic to talk to me about now is about boys. I don't know. He's someone that fights, really hard for what he believes in. When he wants something, he goes hard for it. He's a go-getter. I admire his leadership qualities, and I just want to say that I'm very, 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 very proud of you. It's been 5 years. It feels just like yesterday, actually. I pray for long life on the throne. I hope that God continues to strengthen you, because I say it all the time, I don't know how you do it. It's a very huge responsibility, and I love you so much. I appreciate you. I am very proud of you. Yeah, so I'm also happy to be here to celebrate you, and I hope that we'll continue to have so many things to celebrate in life. So, yeah, Kabisi.
Kabisi, thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. I just continue to pray for you, like I always do, that Your reign on earth will be the most amazing reign if I will ever be blessed with, yes. And by God's grace, your reign will bring us more prosperous.